Hey guys, today we'll talk about Xiaomi. In order to celebrate the 10th anniversary of Xiaomi, the Chinese company hosted an event in China where the company CEO Li Jun addressed the public alongside launch a couple of special edition products. They launched three products: Mi TV Lux, Mi 10 Ultra, and Redmi K30 Ultra. About Mi TV Lux. Xiaomi calls it the world's first mass-produced transparent TV that is a mixture of cutting-edge display technology. It comes with a 55-inch Full HD 1920 into 1080p transparent OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and a MEMC motion support. The TV is powered by quad-core Cortex A73 CPU and a Mali G52 GPU with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. The audio is handled by 8 watts speaker with Dolby Atmos support. It is just 5.7 mm thick with overall weight of 4.96 kilos. Next is Mi 10 Ultra. The smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset along with a massive quad camera setup at the back, offering up to 20x zoom capability. It has also received a score of 130 for image quality by DxOMark, making it the best camera smartphone on the list. The phone features a 48 megapixel main sensor, 20 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 12 megapixel portrait camera, and a telephoto camera with Sony IMX586 sensor. On the front, 20 megapixel selfie shooter. The phone features a 6.67 inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Mi 10 Ultra comes with 4500 mAh battery with 120 volts wired fast charging, which means you can fully charge the phone in just 23 minutes. There is also 50 volts wireless fast charging as well as 10 volts reversed wireless fast charging. The phone will be available in three color options: white, black, and transparent edition. About Redmi K30 Ultra. As already noted, the Redmi K30 Ultra is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset with 5G support. The phone runs on Dual Hyper Engine 2.0 and Game Turbo optimization engine. Xiaomi claims that the phone is a perfect fit for most gamers. A Redmi K30 Ultra comes in 4 different RAM and storage variants. The base model includes 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Second variant includes 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Then the other two includes 8GB RAM, 256GB and 512GB storage. The phone comes with quad rear camera setup and a single pop-up front camera. On the back panel, the phone includes a 64 megapixel primary sensor, 13 megapixel ultra-wide sensor with 119-degree field of view, 5 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, the smartphone includes a 20 megapixel pop-up camera which supports 120 frame per second front slow motion and a multicolored notification LED. The smartphone comes with 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with screen resolution of 2400 x 1080p and 120Hz refresh rate with 240Hz touch sampling rate and brightness of 800 nits. The phone includes a 4500 mAh battery with 33 volts fast charging support. As far as the availability is concerned, there are no details on whether the phone will be launched in India or not. For further more updates, stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.